I'm back on the end of my weekend and finally got that TPS sensor resolved. Man, was it a pain in the butt. It was a headache this weekend. I wanted to be doing other stuff, but I had to get that done. So today, I'm going to actually reprogram the sensors so they know which one is which and that it knows I have the new one on the driver front side tire. So I got my little keypad here, and same as last time, I used this to locate the sensor that was failing, went around, checked each one of them didn't respond, that's the sensor that was broken. Replaced the sensor, pain in the butt, but I did it. And now I'm going to use the keypad again, and same thing, go on to program mode. I'm going to go around to each tire, start at the driver front side tire, work my way to the passenger front side, passenger back, and then driver back in a clockwise pattern. And now the car will know that the sensors are all good and they're programmed. So let's get to it, finish it up, and call it a day for this project. Now getting the vehicle into program mode is a very easy process, and it just lets the vehicle know that you want to reprogram yours to TPS sensors. So all you have to do is you insert the key into the ignition, press down on the brake, 1, 2, 3, turning the key to run, press down on the brake, turn it off, 1, 2, 3. Vehicle honks. Now it knows that I want to reprogram those TPS sensors. So now I'm over at the driver front side tire, and I'm just going to use this little tool, hit the button, let it talk to the sensor, and there we go. Now the vehicle knows that this one is the driver front side tire. And now the passenger front side tire. There we go. Next is the passenger rear side tire. Hit the button. And the driver rear passenger. And we are done. All of the sensors have been programmed. Now that the sensors have been reprogrammed, all I have to do is go drive it around for about 5 to 10 minutes. And the light's going to go off. Right now when I turn on the vehicle, the sensor light does still flash because it needs time to rotate, it needs time to get readings, it needs to talk to each other, the sensors and the module. But once it does, once it gets happy, lights off, project done. Thank you all for watching. That was one hell of a project this weekend, but it needed to get done. I took a couple quick fixes, I tried to troubleshoot it, I tried resetting the code, I tried eliminating the interference. All those videos have been in the descriptions, and I'm sure they'll pop up on the screen. But in the end, I did need to fix it. I took the short way out, or I tried to see if I can fix the problem, but it did need a repair. So I did it. That's what I do. I want to fix it the right way, and I did. So thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Did I do something wrong, right? What do you think? As always, let me know. I appreciate all of them. If you want to help out the channel, I got the Patreon coming up right now. I'm working on that, and I also have the donate button, so please help out if you can. I'm doing this all by myself, not sponsored, not getting paid by any company that I do products for. This is all on me. This is what I'm doing for fun as a hobby, but you can always help out if you want to. So with that, as always, thank you for watching. Ride safe, drive safe, and always, please always, keep at least 2 wheels on the road.